Hey guys, excuse me. Hey guys, it is today is Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo. Hey, and I'm Mrs. Carr, by the way, in case you didn't know. Haha. And I'm here for your rundown on math. So let's get to it. So you're gonna watch this video, okay? Especially if you didn't watch it yesterday, and then also this is the same chart. I want you to open this back up and be using this as a tool as well. And then you have your two options. You can do this one, which I believe that's the digital version, or you can do this one. Okay, so if we open this up, it's going to force you to make a copy. Good, so you don't have to, in case you don't forget on that one. Okay, while it's doing that, let's go ahead and open this one up too while we're waiting. All right, so let's open this back up. All right, so this one, these are by the way, these are the answers. These are possible answer choices, okay? And then, so you're not doing anything with this page, but then there's these 6 problems here. There's only 6, so it should be pretty easy peasy, but these are your possible answers. So that's how you know if you're on the right track. If you don't get one of these answers, you know that is something went wrong. The other option is this one here. So let's make this a little bigger so we can see it better. In questions 5 through 8, indicate the, so this is adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all fractions. But here's 8 problems. And then here you'll notice, I would definitely make sure, even if you don't do the whole paper, I would definitely make sure you do at least these 4. So if you want to skip these up here, that's fine. But for sure do these because you're, because the whole point of this is to practice your decimal plus fractions, or, doing both at the same time. So if you want to skip these 4, that's fine. And then you can go straight to these 4 down here and do these 4 to practice your decimal and fraction at the same time. Okay. Let's see, is it allowed? If it does not, oh yes. So you can go ahead and type in that. With both documents, make sure you're sharing it. Clicking here, typing your teacher's name, click done. Once you share it, make sure you go back later in the evening or the next morning and check your speaker notes here, or check your email for the response feedback from your teacher. Your teachers are leaving you feedback, so please make sure you are doing so. Here are your answer keys. So obviously you definitely want to make sure that you are checking your answer key before turning it in. And again, if you get it wrong, make sure you're not cheating. But if you get it wrong, make sure you go back and find that mistake. Don't just say, oh, I got it wrong, and then that's it. You definitely want to go back and check that mistake. All right, when you're done with that, you're going to go back into your Schoology tab and answer your, oh, that's Mondays. Sorry about that. You're going to answer your discussion question, and this is not going to say order of operations because that's not today. But anyways, make sure you answer your discussion post. And again, same thing that I told you with this sharing your document here. Please make sure you go back later in the evening or the next morning and look at your responses from your teachers. They are providing feedback, especially for those of you who need to make corrections. You need to know if you got it right or wrong. So make sure you're going back to that. And then if you really felt like you had some free time on your hands and you wanted extra to do, then you can click on this, open that up, and here's your answer document to complete that. Okay, and then that's it for Cinco de Mayo. Make sure you're utilizing Teams. A lot of you are on there already, but make sure you, if you have not already done so, get on there. Your teacher is here for questions if you need them. I'm answering questions all day. I can chat with you. We can video with you, whatever you need. So please make sure you're utilizing that resource. Make sure you're utilizing the video. Make sure you're utilizing the charts. And make sure you're utilizing, oh, and don't forget to simplify at the end, by the way, if they're fractions. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. If you have questions, please let us know. We're here for you guys. We're here to help. Anything you need. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.